everyone, it's Alexa here. Today we are going to do a comic book inspired makeup tutorial. I am just starting off with a fresh face and I am doing my base first. I never usually do this. I don't have a lot under there. I think I just have moisturizer just because there's so much going on. I did take this down to my neck and my décolleté area, and as you can see, I am a little burnt. I had went to the beach. And you're probably like, you went to the beach? It's October. I'm pre-filming all of my 31 Days of Halloween, so I actually have 31 Days of Halloween to do this year. So, yeah, that's why I did this in the summer. So we are just kind of contouring just a little bit. I did powder over that foundation and everything like that. It's optional, you don't have to, and you don't have to do this step either if you really want it to be like black and white, but this would give me a little bit more dimension, so I just used a bronzer. Now I'm taking a yellow, a bright yellow color. You can make this brighter if you would like to. You can wet your brush or, you know, have a yellow. You can even have a metallic yellow if you really want to, but I just chose a matte yellow. I'm ribbing my lower water lash line with the white. This is going to make our eyes appear much bigger, more doll-like, more cartoon comic book like. I'm using a really nice bright matte pink that I can draw over, and it's not going to be pliable when I put black and white over it. I'm just kind of highlighting with a off-white color. We're going to go back and do like a nice stark white for some highlighting, and I'm also going to use a white liquid liner, and the black liquid liner is going to be our best friends. So this whole look is basically just detailing with the black and the white. Making it look as comic book-y as you like. I did a swipe under my chin. I'm kind of detailing around my nose. And I made her eyebrows really, really thick and black just to make them look like she's concerned almost, sad even. There's many expressions you can do with this, and you can add as many lines and stuff as you want to. This is just what I did. I didn't fill in my whole eyebrow with the liner. I went back with a black matte pencil. You can also use eyeshadow if you'd like to. I did a really big wing on my eyes as well, and we're going to detail our mouth a little bit later. I did kind of draw my nostrils too to make those like really pronounced and everything like that, and you can alternate between a pencil and the liner as much as you'd like to. And for our eyeliner, I'm taking this really big out. I also did a line right in my crease area, and then I'm going to just kind of create some false lashes. You can put false lashes on if you want to. I am going to put a little bit of mascara on just so everything kind of blends in together. And I'm kind of detailing around the mouth, like black on the outsides, and of course drawn all in black, all outlined in black. I'm going to outline my face and my jaw in black too. I'm going to do a little bit of work on our décolleté neck area. Have fun with the black lines and do a little bit of shading as you would like when you're drawing something. My first love was drawing, so this is like perfect. These are my two mediums mixed together, so I had a lot of fun making this look. I was very detailed in everything I did, I felt like, in it. And if you see me keep looking down, I did reference a few photos. Just type in comic book makeup on Pinterest. I chose from a lot of amazing artists. I was gonna detail in black all around my hairline, and I decided not to, so I'm like, okay, well, I'll go back to that, but so don't mind that. I don't know what I was thinking. We're gonna clean that up later. Back to my eyebrows. Now we're going back in with that stark white and just kind of highlighting before we take the white. And I did use this kind of as a highlighter. As you can see, I am feeling around for my bones, just kind of creating like a clavicle look. Kind of shading with those lines there. You don't have to do all this. I even saw one girl wrote like pow or like bam on her chest. I'm really not that good with like tracing words and stuff like that, so I thought I'd just stick with like the clavicle and stuff like that. I'm taking a white eyeliner, and as you can see, my dots are not consistent. In comic books, they're super consistent because they're printed and all that jazz, so this is where you can either opt for it or use something more stable. I suggest like the back of a brush. I did that in my past one, although that tutorial is super old, hence why we're redoing this look. I don't like to redo a lot of my looks, but this one needed to be updated, and I spent a lot of time on it, so here we are. I even did 2 different looks for this, wigs for this look, so it was very near and dear to my heart. The brush did just fine of the eyeliner itself, but I thought that I could have done better with the white dots, made them bigger and more consistently placed. I just kind of spotted all around. I thought it needed a little bit more, so I went back and I shaded around some of the lines on my neck with a turquoisey, kind of that 50s-esque blue. It's like one of my favorite colors. I used to paint my room this color. If you guys have seen my old room versus my new room, I just painted over the blue. It's gray, just to change up the color scheme a little bit. And then I went around my face with this blue. I didn't like it so much. So everything around the face I wasn't like really happy with, but I liked the blue everywhere else. So I would definitely keep that. Like I said, I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. You can add false lashes if you want to, but there's so much going on anyway. I decided against it. So I hope you like yellow and blue. Let me know which wig is your favorite, which one you like down below. On my Facebook, a lot of people really liked blue. I don't know, I liked yellow just because she's more, I don't know, them bangs girl. It's my Aurora wig. But blue is super pretty too, of course. I love that wig. It's my most expensive favorite wig. I would love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Halloween. Stay tuned for day 31. We're almost there. Ciao, Bella.